Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And if you guys want to see how I got my hair this straight using this, stay tuned. So I purchased this Hot Tooth blowout styler from Ulta today and it was about $74 or so. And I seen a few people mention it on my Instagram, so I wanted to try it out because I just took out my hair, so I need my hair done. I really hope that this product works really good because it's gonna be a game changer for all hair types. So as you guys can see, I have afro here. I just freshly washed my hair. I'm going to go in by spraying in a few products that I use. So I'm gonna go in with this Silk Elements Coconut Heat Protection Spray. I got this from Sally's. You are gonna just spray this all over your hair and this is gonna soften your hair and get it ready for the heat that you're gonna be applying. I also like to go in with some coconut oil and I got this from Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can get this at Sally's too. And this is just a hair polishing serum. You would put some on your hand, go in with that small drop and rub it all throughout your hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Silk Element spray on my head, and you wanna make sure you are distanced from your face and everything like that. You don't need much. It smells so good. This is coconut. It smells really, really good. So I will be rating this product based on pricing, quality, and just overall experience of how I feel it leaves my hair. I normally just use my Paul Mitchell blow dryer and my Babyliss flat iron and just that gets the job done. But if this is like a one-step job, I'm good. Y'all good. Like I won't have no complaints. I even went to Amazon to look at this product and it showed like almost 5,000 reviews and most of those reviews said that it was good, over 5 stars. So we'll see today. So I have this on my head because I was basically letting my edges dry because you guys know I like my edges on fleek. I have this wide tooth comb. I also have this smaller comb that I'm gonna use to part my hair. So I am not gonna be using rubber bands on my hair. I'm gonna just be using these little clips. As you know, if you have kinky hair, the rubber bands actually pull your hair out and I don't got time to be screaming today, okay? Opening up the box. Like I said, I just got this from Ulta. Okay. Yes, okay. I like this already and I haven't even used it yet. I'm gonna put this on a high temperature. Oh, wait. Oh, so you, all right, y'all, I got it. You twist this thing at the bottom and it goes from cool to low to high. And it's hot. Y'all, I had to stop this, y'all. I know you lying. Like, excuse. What? Wow. Y'all. This is on camera and y'all just seen I had a mini afro right here. Oh, let me continue. And it says if you want to get your roots really straight, you want to get really close. Y'all, like, are you kidding me? I couldn't even comb through my hair before. Already this looking like a great investment, y'all, because I'm just thinking salon waiting to be seen, $70, $80 for a blowout when you can do it yourself at home and watch TV. Who next? I got y'all. $35. Who needs a silk press? Who needs a blowout? I got you. Because look at this right here, straight up afro, and look at this, like, oh my goodness, I can't wait to finish at this point. Like I said, it's very lightweight and y'all just seen that. My hair is very thick. Already I could tell you guys that this is a game changer because I have very, very thick hair. And as you can see, it is very manageable at this point. As you guys can see, I am very impressed. Like, there's no other words for this. This has done an amazing job. Like, come on now. Look at the bounce. So normally when I blow dry my hair, it is obviously blow dried and straightened a little. It's more stiff. This right here, just, this isn't the same. Like, I feel like, what? My hair is not like this when I blow dry. It doesn't look like this at all. And also when I blow dry, I hate is because, you know, you have hair on the counter. The blow dryer blows all the hair all over the place when you just made a nice little pile. All of the air is inside of this little blow drying tool and it's trying to regulate the air opposed to a regular hair dryer, and it's just blowing out the air everywhere. So I haven't had any of the hair that I put on this table move anywhere. So that's a plus for me also. All right, let's go over here. And when I comb out my hair, I do not comb my hair out hard. I cannot do it. I don't know how y'all be doing it. Y'all be like, I can't do it. I will cry. I really feel like that coconut oil helped my hair tremendously, along with that heat protection. Like I said, whenever I put any heat onto my hair, so the blow dryer, the flat iron, I always use those two items because I feel like it helps contain my hair a little bit more. Because if I didn't have those products, ooh, man, my hair probably be all over. My hair probably be everywhere. So I definitely feel like that helps manage my hair a lot. So after I do my hair, I will be doing my daughter's hair because she can't wait for me to try this on her. She loves getting her hair flat ironed. And like I said, it takes so much time for me. But this is basically just getting the hair just prepared to how she likes it. Not too straight, but just enough to put it in a ponytail. That's all. You just want to put it into a cute little ponytail, bun, and be done. And this, you could do that with that. That's all I like to do. I love wearing ponytails and buns. So this piece up here is allowing you to flip your hair, turn it and twist it without burning yourself. So that's why you guys see my hand up here, because that's what this is for. Honey boo boo, y'all can't tell me anything anymore. Like, the game has changed. Wait till I finish the whole thing. I'm gonna be acting crazy. I ain't even gonna know how to act, y'all. And these little bristles, they have different sizes in here, but I feel like it goes through every little nap you may have. So just be expecting that. That's why it's good to detangle your hair before you actually blow dry it. And I'll do that regardless. Even if I was using my normal blow dryer, I would detangle my hair first because it hurts too much for me. No. I'm going to give you guys the accurate time of how long this is going to take, because obviously it's a little longer for me to do it in this video because I'm explaining stuff, I'm talking, you know, I'm chilling with y'all, we vibing and stuff like that. But when I do my daughter hair, I'm just going to be straight to the point, and I'm going to be able to let you guys know how long it took me to flat iron her hair. And her hair is very long. Her hair is way longer than mine. So I'll be able to let you guys know how long it took me exactly, because this don't count on how long it took me to do it, because we socializing and stuff. Y'all family. Like, you know, we having Thanksgiving, pre-Thanksgiving. Look at that. Look at the shrinkage. Like, look at this. Now look at this. Like, I'm not even gonna play with y'all. One time I went and got my hair pressed, and I paid maybe like $85 or something to get it blew out. Walked outside, and this was the blowout. No lie. And the people was like, oh, you already walked outside. And I was like, well, clearly, ma'am, your products wasn't good because it didn't even last on my hair. And it was just like, oh, you know, no warranty. No warranty. I'm like, wow, okay, well, I won't be going back. But that was just a funny story. But this is literally legit because it was raining. I will never forget it. Me and my daughter went. It was raining outside. Both of our hair was just like this, poofy. It was flat, but as far as flat, I mean, it was like easy to go run your hands through, but the ends was just a poof ball. And it was just like, yeah, there's nothing we could do. And I was just like, I just literally paid $85. Like, I just walked out of here. And y'all not gonna help us out? like I told you guys, if you want your roots to be very straight, you have to get really close to your roots with this, and that's just what the instructions said. So that's what I'm doing, because I want this thing to be flat. Because like I said, I'm only wanting to flat iron my hair once. I'm not trying to go through it over and over again, which is what I would have to do if I use my regular blow dryer. So I'm trying not to do that. I don't like to have too much heat on my hair, but a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, okay? So for the price, like I told you guys before, it was $74.99. I feel like this is a great deal. If you can find it at Walmart for $55 or $58, obviously go to Walmart. But I really feel like this did an amazing job. I don't have any naps like I would if I used my regular blow dryer. I can really just rake my hands through my hair, and it's crazy because that never happens with my blow dryer. I always have to press my hair first before I can get it this flat. And I have to press it several times. So for this to do this, I'm very shocked, y'all. I'm gonna have to give this on a scale 1 to 10. I'm gonna have to give this at least a 9.5, because I really feel like it did the trick. It ain't, you know, to me, I feel like when I think of blowout, I think of the whole thing being straight and everything. But this is technically a blowout because this is how they leave your hair before they actually use the flat iron to straighten it. And it did its job, y'all. Like, it did a good job. My hair doesn't smell burnt. Actually still smells like the heat protectant spray. So what y'all waiting for, sis? Like, go ahead and get yours today. Like, stop playing. Now I'm going to show you guys how I actually flat iron my hair to get that nice silk press. Going back in with my heat protection spray. And I don't have to do much now because, baby, this thing is very smooth and easy to go through. So this is going to be so helpful. I can part my hair, just look at that. Breezy, easy breezy. Cover girl. So I'm going to just pin this up. And just FYI, once I find like a stylist that I go to, even if I move somewhere, I'm still going to go to that stylist. Like, that's how dedicated I am about somebody doing my hair. So I recently moved, and my stylist stayed about an hour and a half from me, and I was faithfully going to her. But after today, baby, this might be a game changer right here. This looking like a straight game changer. She gonna miss me, but I'm sorry. This This is it. I could do this in the comfort of my own home with my mirror, and I'm good to go. And I just use the comb just to help lay my hair with that bump effect, but you can also use your hands. It's up to you. It's still gonna lay the same, so I've done it both ways. And when you're flat ironing this, make sure you get a small amount of hair. Don't get too much hair because it just makes it harder to press. Okay guys, this is the final look. I had to give it a little shake real quick. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. As always, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.